Okay, here's the 3D printed version of the Astro Robot, and if you're not familiar with that, then you can watch the other video. I'll put the link down below of the original vintage Astro Robot toy. This one I'm calling Astro Robot, and this is just the prototype. The final version will be much nicer, higher quality, because it's just painted with whatever filaments I had laying around trying to get the effect. And the final one, you'll say Astro Robot there, and the forward and reverse and off switch will be marked forward and reversed and off. This battery cover in mine is held on magnetically, and I did alternately flashing gun lights, or as they like to call them, razor guns. And I made the dome light stay lit continuously rather than flash. I added moving arms with the walking action. In the original toy, the arms just hang loose. And walks the same as the original here. Let me try to do this with one hand and holding the camera. Here we go. I guess I can't really do this very well with one hand. Let's go backwards. And that was hard. Trying to stop it's going to be even harder. I wonder how it would do on something soft instead of smooth. Let's try it on this chair. Oh, walks even better on things where the feet can get some friction. So, there we have it. I wonder if I can put that on with one hand. There we go. Astro Robot 3D printed.